Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how you could know the basic information of your PC. So to do that, first you have to open your laptop or desktop, then you have to go to this PC icon. You have to click the right button of your mouse after moving the cursor over this PC. Then you have to go to the properties section. After clicking on properties section, you will see the basic information of your PC or laptop. It will show you different information, just like what is the edition of your Windows, what is the system of your desktop or PC, what is the name of your computer, and the window is activated or not. Okay, so in this way you could check the basic information of your desktop or laptop. So thank you for watching this.